So, hi guys! So, nandito ulit ako for my channel and my vlog. So, it's my first time to do this vlog. Again, ibang niche ko. So, I'm doing unboxing right now. So, by the way, I'm Christine from Adventures of Christine Escape. So, kamusta kayo guys? So, ito, ako is busy pa din ako for my previous vlogs kasi medyo madami. And busy din sa work right now. So, and napanood nyo na ba yung Malaysia vlog ko? It's the first, that was the last vlog pala na na-edit ko. So, mayroon pang susunod na international trip. So, abangan nyo na lang kasi na-edit ko pa. So right now, I'm here with my unboxing natin. Receive. So this is one of my accessory for my GoPro. So sa mga lahat ng travel vlogs ko, kasama ko na siya. So I'm so happy to buy this. Kung ano man to. So it's my favorite, kahit hindi ako marunong lumangoy, pero ito yung makikita ko for this one. So it's very masaya ako for me na meron akong ganitong accessory. And tingnan natin kung ano yung nasa loob nito right now. Abangan natin. Thank you! So, hi guys! So, ito yung GoPro Telecine dome port natin with 6 inches. So, ngayon, this is the model of GP DMP-T09. So, manually triggered siyang and then this is actually good for and suitable for GoPro Hero 9, 10, 11, and 12. Yung GoPro Hero 8 and below, hindi kasi siya suitable to use this one kasi masyadong maliit yung size nila compared to 9 to 12 na GoPro Hero. And then, punta tayo dun sa product functionality nito. So, yes, only suitable for GoPro Hero 9, 10, and 11, 12 only. And then, this is only captures the photographic and perspective of half water and half sky. Later, I will show you ano yung sinasabi nilang photographic na half sky and half water. Actually, maganda yung ano niya. Actually, ganito siya. Yung nasa cover. Ganito yung half sky and half water. Number 3, owning 180-degree large wide-angle picture show the beauty of the action camera photography. And then, optical correction, creating a transparent dome with uniform thickness and makes the photography pictures more clear and no distortion siya. So, kasama sa functionality niya, water resistant kasi hindi mo naman siya pwedeng ilubog sa water kung hindi siya water resistant. But there are limitations to it. So, water resistant up to 30 meters or 100 feet only. Kasi merong diving dome port din kasi neto. So, wala pa ako nun kasi hindi pa ako nagda-diving part ng GoPro. Integrated transparent cover and waterproof case designed to reduce water leakage caused by multiple assembly. So yung white, yung dome part niya, yung white, actually, changeable naman siya. So, may mabibili naman sa Lazada and Shopee for only 300 to 400 pesos. Yun yung functionality ng dome port natin na Telcel. Yun. So, that's also, check nyo yung videos na ko sa Lineto. Catch up!